Hello guys, so this is just a follow-up with my for loop nested for loop code that I posted in the last video on Python, which would have been labeled nested for loop part 3. So we can call this part 4. Now what changed here? So basically what I tried to do here is not to trouble the range here, but instead you can play with the input values. So you have more scalability here, right? The user can enter, the tables they want to print, what range from two times to three times, and what start value of the tables you want to print, like from 5 to 7. What I'm saying here, you want to print from 2 multiplied by 5 to 2 multiplied by 7, right? That will be this part here. And then you will have 3 times 5, 3 times 7. So you don't have to go in here and trouble this range, because you're pretty much making it you're having a variable up here, and so this gives your program more scalability in the sense that you don't have to go and edit stuff within the code, right? Because you have a variable here. When you enter something here, it automatically changes in this part of your code, and the same thing here. So I think this here gives me a lot more flexibility when writing code. This is pretty much something that is practiced in C programming, right? So I'm just bringing this over to my style in doing Python. So now let's try to run this code here. All right, so I have the code and I'll show you some variations. So enter the start range of the table. So let's say I'm saying from 2 times to 5 times, and I'm printing what values I want to print. I don't want to print from 2 ones to, I want to print from 9 to, let's say, 12. So you're seeing here, I'm printing 2 nines 18, 2 12s 24, that range, 3 nines 3 to the 3 times 12, 4 nines 4 times 12, and you can see that. Now what I can do, what else I can do is stable. Let's try to run this back. Supposing I want to multiply, let's say 19 by 17. So I can say the start range of my table is 19 and the end range is 19, and I want to multiply by 17, so I just hit 17. So it has the ability now to do more flexible stuff. So writing your code in this format here, right, instead of going in and changing values within your loops, I think it gives you more flexibility. It's a better way to go. So this is just a follow-up to my last video in Python. I'll stop here for this video. Okay guys, so bye.